how to see who blocked you on Facebook. So firstly, Facebook does not provide a direct way to see who has blocked you, but there are a few signs and steps you can take that might help you figure it out. Firstly, try searching for the person's profile using Facebook's search bar. If you can't find their profile and you were previously friends or in contact, this might indicate you have been blocked. Also, if you're friends before and now can't find them on your friend list, it's possible they have blocked you. Then look for old messages. Check your Facebook Messenger for past conversations. If you can see the messages but can't access the person's profile anymore, then they may have blocked you. So that is it. Blocking is a privacy feature that prevents interactions between users, so while you might not be able to see the exact reasons or identify the blocker directly, these tips can give you clues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.